All right, cool. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Zetao. I'm an independent researcher in computer science. I also work as a software engineer at Amazon. I'm based in San Diego, California, United States. And my teammate on this project is Mingyong, who you have already met in the earlier presentation. She's a new media artist and a PhD student in art practice at University of California, San Diego. So today I'm very excited to represent our team and share our work, Domy Reverie. Before we dive deep into the details, I'd like to give you a visual overview of our project. We have prepared a short demo video that showcases the key features and aesthetics of Domy Reverie. So please sit back and enjoy the video. All right. To give an introduction of the project, Domy Reverie is an immersive, real-time visual and audio experience. It creates a microcosm that intertwines diverse realities and speculative futures. In this installation, we have two spherical domes, each with a glowing core orbiting each other. They do this above an interactive landscape that mirrors our collective reality in real time. Of the two spherical domes, one dome showcases authentic satellite time-lapse images of our Earth, reviewing its beauty and scars. The other dome offers AI-generated visions, depicting an unknown world that could be an unspoiled paradise or a devastated wasteland. This juxtaposition challenges us to reflect on the blurry line between utopia aspiration and dystopia outcomes. In addition, A dome projected onto the floor allows viewers to interact with a plate in real time, either by typing or speaking to imagine a realm with an AI agent. Participants can also alter the pattern of the land by drawing on the generated satellite imagery and collaborating with AI to visualize changes in the landscape. Through this piece, we aim to explore the interconnection of realities, the tension between preservation, decay, and also our role within this cosmic dance. In this intersection of art, technology, and environmental consciousness, we are invited to reflect upon our responsibility towards our shared home and the uncertain past that lies before us. The inspiration for this project springs from our deep dive into Google Earth's time-lapse function, which basically captures 38 years of environmental changes of a city on the world. This exploration revealed a complex narrative of human interaction with the Earth. Initially, it highlighted the negative impacts like climate change and deforestation. However, as we further observe the transformation of landscapes, such as the urbanization of Chengdu, we recognize the North's reality of human progress. It became clear that these changes are not merely harmful, they reflect our innate drive towards advancement and a better life. So this realization broadened our perspective, pushing us to consider a world where the line between positive and negative changes is not so clear-cut. This is another picture of a city on the west coast of the United States that we took from the airplane. It also serves as part of the motivation for this project. The North's understanding of how a human interaction affects Earth led us to rethink the concept of domes, which were often regarded as a symbol of utopia. However, we see it as symbols not just of utopia, but also of dystopia, which embodies the complex relationship we have with our planet. In our work, the domes represent dual potential to protect and to harm, to create and to destroy. Inspired by Fuller's speculative cloud structure, we envisioned our dome floating over a landscape that reflects our current reality. This symbolizes our ongoing quest to balance human advancement with environmental stewardship. We encourage viewers to question and reimagine our collective future. So based on our imagination, this structure embodies three layers. The first is artificial synthetic reality. The second is historical reality. And the third is collective reality. Altogether, they offer a comprehensive view of our world, and each layer engages with the audience differently, sparking a dialogue about our environmental footprint and the echoes of our actions across realities. With those concepts, this is the main visual part in the installation that we create and build our two domes over the landscape, where one dome represents the historical reality, while the other dome, sphere, shows the artificial reality. Here is the design of our system, which responds to the three-layer reality analog. So basically, one dome is built using images from Google Earth time-lapse videos, while the other dome features AI-generated images created with the help of ChatGPT and fine-tuned stable diffusion models. The landscape on the ground reflects the imagery from the real dome, representing the world we currently live in. So among those steps in the workflow, let's take a closer look at the details of how we build the artificial reality layer. So first, we conducted a LoRa fine-tune process for stable diffusion model based on the real satellite image dataset. This step ensures the model can create similar aesthetics and also link the image contents with the text descriptions. And next, we work with ChatGPT to generate narratives, which is basically a list of prompts across different times. And then using a prompt travel matrix script, we created a similar time-lapse sequence of Google Earth to reflect a speculative location that is transforming across time. That's basically how synthetic reality was born. The visual design, as you can see in the video, with auroras encircling the domes and the particles changing over time, it symbolizes the fragile barrier between our current state and potential futures. It's a reminder of the beauty and peril in the paths we choose. I will just give a few more seconds to show the video. Cool. Let's move on to the next piece. So it's another short video, but basically we utilize Touch Designer to bring this work to life as an immersive and interactive experience. And it challenges, inspires, and invites reflection on our collective impact and potential. I will just give another few seconds to show the beauty of the domes. Cool. So besides the main visuals, to enhance immersive experience, we also developed the interactive floor dome piece as part of the installation. This user interface, visible on the laptop screen, allows viewers to alter the formation of their own imagery landscape in collaboration with AI agents, of course. So on the left side, viewers can type or speak prompts to direct the AI to generate corresponding narratives and satellite images. Based on these inputs, the system can visualize the landscape and project it onto the ground. Viewers can also modify the entire landscape by using the sliders in the bottom on the right side, or drawing on the generated satellite imagery. So this sort of interaction allows for a dynamic and personalized exploration of the landscape. It enhances the overall immersive experience. So this is the more detailed design workflow for the floor dome piece. So we collect viewers' input either from text or user speaking. And after collecting user inputs, we feed it into ChatGPT API, which basically generates a detailed description of the imagined space. It is then processed by Stream Diffusion TD plugin to create a real-time satellite imagery. And then viewers can interact with this imagery, altering its pattern by moving the mouse and drawing on it. They can also use the sliders to manipulate the visuals. So the bottom slider reviews different variations of the AI interpretation of the same prompt, while the side slide allows zoom in, enable the audience to explore the landscape in greater details. So these interactions update the imagery in real time, and it is then visualized and projected by using Touch Designer. This is the demo video illustrating how the floor dome piece operates in real time. As you will see in the video, it responds to various user inputs and modifications. Not sure if it's too small, but if you look at this image on the left side, you can see a white dot, which is basically your mouse. So when you're moving, it's altered the formation of the pattern on the large screen. And this is the part that we are moving the button slider. So it's changing AI interpretation. And then this is the part we are moving side slider, which you can see you're zooming to see a closer details of the effects. All right, cool. That's all for the presentation. I want to end up with this poem created by GPT and us. Breathe in the aura, pure illusions veil. In its reflection, truth grows pale. A word untouched or a word scarred. The twin of ours, both soft and hard. Yeah, that's all for the presentation. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, feedback, and comments. Yeah, thanks for listening.
Thank you very much. I think we have time